Whoever made this food should be arrested. The food is too good.
Master's arrested for making food.
This should be a crime. When your food is this good, it should be a crime. No, seriously. Like, if you serve me this food now, yeah, and the food is so sweet here, and you ask me for my bank card, I can say take the bank card. Take everything.
In fact, take the wallet.
Take the wallet.
Don't be saying that, bro. That's a curse word. Like, come.
Alright guys, serious question. How good does food have to be for someone to say the chef should be arrested, or for one to reveal their ATM pin after testing? I'm not even going to lie. Every time I react to Jamaican food videos, I start getting hungry immediately. Like seriously, Jamaican food always looked so rich, so flavorful, so colorful. I don't even know what they put in that seasoning, but every single time I watch these videos, I'm like, yeah, I need this in my life. And the crazy thing is, people from all over the world react the same exact way. Alright, let's see what's going on in these videos, and then I'll be back with more reactions. Enjoy.
Hey guys, so we're gonna try hominy corn porridge.
Hominy corn porridge.
Hominy corn.
Oh wow, it smells so good. I've never seen this. Jamaica, what is hominy corn porridge?
My God.
Hold on, I forgot to flip my hat.
It's like nice and sweet.
It's so nice.
Warm. It reminds me of banana pudding. It's like that.
Yeah, it's like banana pudding,
Yeah.
but I'm trying to explain it. But
And then the pieces of corn.
what did you put in this?
Rosa Norman.
Rosa
I cinnamon leaf. A lot of stuff.
He doesn't want to give the secret.
Also, I'm a coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Right there.
This guy has the whole of Jamaica in this little cup. This man has been, look at it though,
15 years?
15 years he has been selling here.
Yeah, right there.
If you come to Jamaica,
You have to come here.
Kingston, Jamaica, if you don't eat this porridge, honey,
You don't have any love in you. When you eat this porridge, it's much love. Right to the 14 porridge.
guys,
don't be saying that, bro. That's a curse word. Like,
Try Jamaican snacks with me and rate them 1 through 10. Okay, so boom. Or like bag right here. Okay, so wait, I gotta show the peeps. This is Bigfoot.
it's just a 10.
Girl. Alright now. Wait, we was gonna cheers. Okay. That's spicy.
It's good, ain't it?
Next, we've got the chicken chips.
Chicken chips.
These are tastes like those chips. That one's secure, that's for sure. Okay.
These are actually tough. Like, I love these.
Okay, they have like different shapes. Oh, is it a chicken?
Yeah, it's like chicken. They're like fries and chicken. And shit.
Okay.
It's like a
Alright.
drumstick.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they taste the same way.
Why would they taste the same way?
Okay.
You like that one?
I really like that. And this is definitely a 9.
Yeah.
This is definitely a 9. Next, we have, what do you call them? Pears? Red hot?
Red hot.
Red hot.
Red hot. It's red hot.
Red hot. Okay. That's what it looks like.
They might buy your
Spicy.
fault.
There's a flavor there that reminds me of home. I don't know what it is. Yeah. From Nigeria.
It's like Lay's, but it's like super spicy. They have them here.
And next we have
Snackables.
Oh, snackables.
Yeah.
Snackables. Is that what you always say, snackables?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Them are not spicy, but them good.
You're just trying to let the people know you're from Jamaica. Like, okay. This is what it looks like.
Is it good? Yeah. You know? I'm telling you, like back in like primary school days, this was my
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a 9.5. Easy 9.5. Have
Digestive.
Oh wait, we used to have a bit.
It's like covered in chocolate.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's kind of broken, but it looks like that. Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that. Yup. Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now. That's easy 10. Easy 10. Easy 10. Easy. It's so good. Lastly, okay, this one's kind of controversial because you say you're...
Okay, so backstory, let me tell you. So we eat this, well, not this specific one, but the longer ones on Easter. It's like a traditional thing. We eat it on Easter with cheese. That's really the combination, but you're just going to try it by itself.
Okay. Yeah. Well, we don't have cheese right now, so I'm going to just eat it by itself. But am I Jamaican now?
No.
Wait, I like the consistency of it. Like it feels like for my Nigerians. It feels like agege bread. You know. Okay, you want?
No, go ahead.
Okay.
Ow! You didn't even rate that. Did you rate that?
Yes, I've been rating it. Oh, this is 100 out of 10. National bun.
Yeah.
Guys, go ahead, give me that Jamaican passport now.
No. Don't be saying that, bro.
Okay, if you watched to the end, thanks for watching. Bye. I'm gonna go finish this.
So this is my driver, Abu. Abu, say hey.
Hi.
And today I'm gonna take him to a Jamaican restaurant.
Do what?
To eat.
I don't eat Jamaican food.
Abu, today you will eat.
I will never eat.
Abu said that anything that's not Nigerian food makes his stomach scatter.
Of course.
But today we're gonna switch it up. And it's gonna be so much fun.
Let me try. Today, I will try today on.
Yalla, let's
but
go.
The India one I ate day before yesterday, it destroyed me. And I don't want to try.
I bought him Indian food, he just didn't like it. So this is my favourite restaurant in Lagos. It's called Jamski. It literally does the best Jamaican food. He's gonna love it. Hello, sir. It's me again. I know. How are you? Oh, Gabby, looking at the menu. What do you like?
I don't want to eat this food. Do you know why?
Why? You'll like it, I promise. I promise.
I know where we're heading to.
This is better than Indian. I promise you'll like it. Okay, I'll try and look excited. So I ordered curry chicken and brown stew chicken, and then I ordered him curry goat and oxtail. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What do you think? Good?
Nice.
I told you. I knew he would like it. This is the same man that didn't want to come. That is what I call a successful mission.
Let me see.
Oh, it is. It having beef in the middle of the patty.
You can open it up if you want. Open the patty. Has in meat. Show them that your patty has meat and it's hot.
The patty has meat in there. It's beef, right?
Yeah, and you can actually add cheese too.
You can also add cheese. It tastes like meat pie.
Really?
Yeah. I can eat 10 of this in a day.
10? You say you can eat 10?
Wow.
You love it.
Just one bite and I knew that. This is the real deal.
I'm helping my African mum pick the best Caribbean food because she clearly don't really know, but she knows to cook it.
Right, let's go. Fried dumpling. Oh, fried dumpling.
That's a casual.
No, fried dumpling.
Move.
No. Why did you push my head? Don't. Fried dumpling. I think
I can't see.
Number 2, isn't it?
I can't see.
What are you pushing my head for? How come it's not moving?
You have to press it.
Press what? So I've got to press it, yeah? Oh, yes, number 2.
You want it to be number 2?
Rum punch. Oh, my gosh. Rum punch is number 4.
I'm drinking.
4.
No, you're not doing this right.
No, red pea soup. No. That is definitely at the bottom. The reason why I'm not putting it as number 10 is because, right, chicken foot. I'm gonna put chicken foot as number 10.
No,
rice and peas.
5. Let's do 5.
No, let's do a 6. Do you want to do 5?
Yeah. What?
No, plantain. That is going as number 8.
How do you say plantain or plantain?
Oxtail is number 5, even though I don't really eat. Kiki loves oxtail. But
yeah, not anymore.
Ackee and saltfish.
7.
Oh no, that needed to go. Can I change it around?
No, what?
Cause no, I don't like ackee and saltfish.
Oh, that's what you would put it 7.
To put it, no, I might have to change it.
You can't change it.
Sorrel.
I've never tried that.
Sorrel. Listen, some of these need to go at the bottom because I want to put chicken foot.
Well, it's not going to come up. You don't know what's going to come up.
Oh, let me put it at number 10 then.
You eat pie. You eat the pie.
No, but can I move? Can you move it?
No, I just said that.
No, because I want to move it to number 4. Because I'd prefer on.
You can't.
Are you sure?
That's the whole point.
Alright, I'll put it as number 3 then.
Oh. I mean, that does have chicken.
Can you do it again?
Does not have chicken foot in it. No, you can't.
I'm going to have to put it at number 1. I'm not going to try and move these things.
You can't! Stop trying to act stupid.
It's not working. It don't want your finger on it. Huh? Oh, obviously it's number 1, isn't it? Because
no, it's gonna work anyways. This head.
No. So guys, that's the end. I'm assuming that number 1 is the chicken soup. That is not my order because I would have had my rum punch would have gone as number 3. Patty would have gone as, I say, number 5, and chicken soup would have gone as number 10.
This is what you took me out of vision for.
And yeah, Kiki. Anyway, thanks for your help.
My fellow Nigerians, I be your boy. You be my person. I know if he lied to you. Those Jamaicans, them they cook past us. I tell you about jerk chicken, Abi. I tell you about jerk chicken. But see me, I know be small boy. So this jerk chicken. Mac and cheese. Is mac and cheese correct? Brother, tell me, which food for Nigeria be like mac and cheese? Will they chop any macaroni with cheese? Will they chop Somebody yarn me say that jerk chicken be like Mr. Biggs. You they whine me. And that one I just warm up because I tell you now, I be big boy, bro. I gotta get that oxtail with rice and peas and plantain. You know what you are doing. You will get potato salad. Get out. Get out here. Rice and peas versus jollof rice alone. Jollof rice takes it. But oxtail with this gravy. Hold on, see. No. See the sauce. Flavor with this rice. Bro, I lived in Nigeria for 18 years. Naija boy I be. I go tell you the truth. Nothing we cook reach this. Also, you know if you sleep on the party, wash it down. Pineapple, ginger. And last but not least, you gotta have some dessert. My fellow Nigerians, what is our own dessert? Because they got rum pound cake. And here's the breakdown. Fried dumplings, 6.5 out of 10. The jerk chicken by itself, 8 out of 10. The jerk chicken with the mac, 9 out of 10, bro. The mac by itself, 8.5 out of 10. The oxtail by itself, 10. The oxtail plus rice and peas, 11. Oxtail plus rice and peas plus potato salad, 12. Oxtail plus rice and peas, potato salad, and plantain, 13, bro. That oxtail plate, my fellow Nigerians, I promise you, try them. You go change your perspective. That patty, it better pass a meat pie. Take them from me. Pound cake, 8.5 out of 10.
Looks so good.
It looks good. Okay. Let's dig in.
I want something on my plate. I want some gravy on mine.
All them beautiful.
Yes, make sure you get the sauce. Put all that sauce on there.
Oh,
excuse me, honey. He's ready.
I'm so ready, mommy. I'm ready, mama.
Make sure they can see your plate, honey. Can you hold it? Are you able to hold it up?
No.
Can you see it? Okay, perfect.
Can you see mine?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yes. Let me take these peppers out. Because I wanted to make sure it was nice and spicy for him. Because he always hollering about something ain't spicy enough. You like it?
Tastes so good.
Oh, I'm so glad you like it.
Well, this is fine.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
That is really good, you guys.
Mm.
Mm. Mm. Yum. Mm.
Yeah, but this is fine.
Like that.
So what you call it? Jamaican stew? Brown stew?
Brown stew chicken.
From Jamaican?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. This is beautiful, man.
So you like Jamaican food?
Okay.
We can try jerk chicken next.
What called?
It's called jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think you'll love it.
Let's try it.
Mm-hmm. So is this something that I can make for you?
Definitely.
Is this something that you can see yourself saying, baby, can you make me brown stew chicken?
Definitely.
Really?
Yes, yes. 100, baby.
Mm. I told you guys that I was going to take him around the world. We're going to open up your palate, honey. Show you some different foods. See, that's the beauty of being in America. There is pretty much everybody there.
Okay.
Almost every culture there. So you can taste anybody's food for the most part.
Okay.
And Jamaican food is one of my favorite.
Thank you for watching that delicious video. You can see the food in the plate and it looks dangerous. And when I say dangerous, I mean dangerously good. You can look at the colors, the sauce, you know, the rice. It's not really fair to watch when you're hungry. But I understand what people mean when they say that the chef should be arrested. Jamaican food looks like the type of food where once you taste it, you are finished. Like imagine someone giving you a plate of this and then asking you for your ATM pin. You'll probably say, yeah, take the pin. Just give me another plate. Take the pin. That's how powerfully good the food can be. And of course, I saw something called hominy porridge. I'm not even going to lie. This is actually the first time I've heard about this dish. But look at it. It looks creamy and rich. And the guy said it tastes like banana pudding. It's a very interesting comparison. If it really tastes like banana pudding, but in porridge form, I can already imagine that being very addictive. Jamaicans really know how to make comfort food. Of course, there was a Nigerian driver in the video and he doesn't even want to try the food at first. He's kind of hesitant. He says like he only eats Nigerian food. But this is always how it starts in these videos. Someone says they don't want to try it, and then 2 minutes later they're asking for another plate. They gave him curry goat and oxtail. Now listen, curry goat alone already looks incredible, but when you combine that with oxtail, wow, it looks like a very serious combination right there. You can see at his reaction and it tells everything. You can tell immediately when someone tastes something that's really good. The face changed instantly. And now, the funny part, the same person who did not want to try the food is now finishing the entire plate. That's the power of Jamaican cooking. You start with hesitation and end with an empty plate. People think they're just tasting something new, and then they realize this food is on another level. The seasoning, the spices, the slow cooking, everything just comes together perfectly. People just can't get enough. That's the thing about Caribbean food in general. Once you start eating, it's very hard to stop. The portions are generous, the flavors are bold, and everything looks like it's made with enough care. Watching videos like this honestly makes me want to visit Jamaica even more, because tasting authentic Jamaican food in Jamaica itself must be a completely different experience. The ingredients are fresh, the recipe are traditional, and the culture around food is very strong. And I'm not even joking when I say this. I really hope the next African tasting Jamaican food is me, and then I'll post in this channel, because when I finally visit Jamaica, I already know my first mission will be trying as many Jamaican dishes as possible. Curry goat, oxtail, the porridge, jack chicken, everything. And if the reactions in the video are anything to go by, I might end up finishing the entire plate just like that Nigerian driver did. But yeah, shout out to Jamaica. Honestly, it always brings people together, and every reaction video just proves how powerful food culture can be. Alright guys, let me know in the comments. What is your favorite Jamaican dish? And of course, please, I need your advice. And if I ever visit Jamaica, what food should I try first? Because after watching these videos, I'm definitely hungry now. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, just do so. This channel is about this kind of conversations, this kind of videos. Of course, some will make you hungry, but some are eye-opening and we learn something every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.